Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to unblock a person in WhatsApp. Go to WhatsApp from your apps list. Tap on the three dot from the top right corner. From the drop down menu, tap on Settings. From the settings, tap on Account. From the account setting, go to Privacy. In the Privacy section, you can see the last option is Blocked Contacts. Tap on this. These are the numbers which you have blocked earlier. Now tap on the person whom you want to unblock. A confirmation message will pop up. Tap on Unblock. That's it. You have successfully unblocked the person. So that is how you can unblock someone in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.